Now, the main important thing in my pressure air pressure tank controller thingy will be a microcontroller, not necessarily this microcontroller, although this one will probably be used for testing. And this little display, now I've got it working, will be quite useful. And this is going to be the most useful thing, I think. As I said, I'm going to have to do a lot of testing. This is a voltage sensor. It's basically just two resistors in a fancy package. And what the plan there is to be able to check to see how high the voltage has got in the supercapacitor. When it reaches 15.5 volts, then I will release that voltage through the air pump. And if you remember, that is the air pump. It's a little Harbor Freight air pump thing, and that will pump air into this air tank, which can then be used for a variety of things. And I was thinking of possibly air tools, but it need not necessarily be that same tank. That's a 3-gallon tank. And I could be using a much bigger tank. This is all a test setup right now. And when I've got the power settings working, then I can work on the rest. And I'm just slowly working on it, testing everything. Of course, everything needs to be tested and retested before I can build the final version. And as I said, it probably won't be that microcontroller. And it could well be any one of these microcontrollers. And if I find there's an analog input on the AT-Tiny 13, it could just be that simple little chip. As I said, this is a research project. It's going to take time, and it's already taken quite a bit of time because I've done quite a bit of research. I haven't forgotten any of it, but that's where we're going at the moment.